gonna start the Hukilau. There it goes. It got loose, and then take it out a little bit. Let me get the other side of it. Oh, we have a fish. Okay, yeah, one there? No, I think it's just... There it goes. Or no? Still stuck. Maybe it's stuck right here. You got a fish? Look at that big guy. Put it on the GoPro. Oh yeah. But did he like stab at something? Look at that. Thank you. Also don't want to leave
Hukilau na koko ke ma ke fusi. Ati ko pende we puru ko. Oi vai. Take pictures, guys.
Got it on the GoPro. Round 2 of the Hukilau. We got the that way, or these guys over there are getting crabs, hunting for crabs. So I think we're all spread out pretty good though. Check two. We're about to go in the water. It's about to go down. There. Oh, you see that fish swimming in there? No, he's right in front of you. He's right here. Do you see him right in my light? Yeah. Oh, he just swam right through the net. Oh. Look, there's a big one right in front of you. Oh, he's in the net. just hold up. That's a nice one. Man, I got whipped by something in the side. Yeah, look at, he's on the very end. He got caught in the last gill. Sucker? Okay.
You did good.
Yeah. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Todd, there's like 5 fish over here.
Oh, good. Let's get them.
Right here, look. They're already in the net. The gill net. Yeah. Hold on. You have to put your fingers up its gills.
How do I do that? Good job, Jordan. Watch this. I don't know if it's spiky. Yeah, it's spiky.
Yeah, I got it. Been under a sucker with my life.
It's awesome.
Look, this one was caught in the last section. That's a big one. That was it. I know.
That's the one we caught, the last one.
We were making sure he didn't get out. Look how easily he fell out.
Just throw it here, you guys.
Yeah, let's bring him over there.
It's all the same kind of fish.
Yeah.
What kind of fish are these?
Hawaiians, they call them nui.
Nui?
Nui.
Nui.
Yeah.
That's what that Erwin was talking about.
Is that like the king's fish or whatever?
No,
Well,
that's Moi.
Rapa Nui. You know what they're called in English?
Charlie.
How do they taste? Are they good?
They're just a white fish.
Oh, good.
50 feet.
Good.
Yeah.
So everything so far
did you have a
we
good
caught,
time?
basically.
Oh, good.
Did you have a good time up here?
Yeah, we were gonna, I mean,
I was
I was
surprised.
gonna come out with you, but...
Grab one?
We walked really far. What is that? Oh yeah, they're looking for crabs.
This is how you do it. This is how you hold it.
Fishy.
He's like, oh,
Oh, he's like, I'm not
I
holding that.
know.
I'm gonna go wash them all.
Okay.
Don't let it go.
Maybe wrap them in your shirt or something. Oh, there's another big one. Penny bit one's head.
Almost all of them.
Like on accident? No?
Grab one, Kurt. Join us. Grab two.
Hey. Okay, one.
Yay. You need to get in that picture. Grab some of those.
Okay,
Kinda,
with Jordan.
yeah.
Yeah, get in there. Will you get in there?
What
Go.
are you doing?
Oh,
There.
Adam's down. Oh man, there's a bunch down there, isn't there?
I know. Or
Wait, get the big light over here. Get the big light over here. The big one.
Okay.
all right.
It's got a flash, I'm sure.
Hey.
What's that song that little bass sings?
I'm just gonna take a couple.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever picture you got is. Adam, you want me to take your picture?
Yeah, just give one of
Holy cow, that one's a chub.
That was big?
Yeah.
Whoa, I want to get a picture of that one.
What happened with the one that you
Here, I'm going to do that one.
You might want to kill that one before you wash it off.
How many we got here? I'm pretty sure it's dead.
This isn't even all of them.
Yeah.
It is crazy they're all the same time.
9, 10.
How big's the biggest one? How big's the biggest one you caught in the net? Or what kind?
I think this is the biggest kind that we usually catch.
Yeah.
Like all that size. We usually get like longer ones,
The trumpet fish or whatever?
but those ones, no, not the swordfish.
Oh, okay.
But it's called I think or something like that.
You guys get any
The one
papio?
called- but
The papio? Or no?
so much bone.
Oh, oyo.
Yeah.
The bonefish, yeah.
So much. We caught one time, like I think like it was like this long. Big fat one.
Yeah, they're like silver, yeah.
But the only way I like to eat those is if you like fry them all the way till you can eat it together with the bone.
Yeah.
But
One more.
Ê, 이거 아니 뭐 먹어가 이거 아니 이거 하나 더 이거.
nó bò họ cái tay cái nó.
Bé mẹ tắm mà. Ủa biết đâu mà bà phá cái phá cái
I think after like almost over a year I would understand some more Tongan, but I gave up. Kind of disappointing.
I used to work around all Tongans in the plumbing department when I was a student.
Fair penny before he gets all sandy. Yeah.
One more.
Now he's pooping.
So what, do we get any other fish that's not this breed or this species?
They're all this
They're all the
breed.
same? They're big.
They're all the same piece.
14 fish.
13?
14
14?
was the
So we got
count.
12 on the last one?
Yeah, I guess so.
You have fun?
Just trying to get like GoPro video of everyone.
Oh, he can actually say penny. He says penny.